Okay, finally, this one's a little tricky. So let's start with the things that we do know. Okay, the parabola has a solid boundary, and it's the things below the parabola. So we've done this a couple of times. It's going to be y is less than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3 times x minus 4. We've also looked at this before too. It's everything above the line that we're given. Now we've written that a couple of times, so it's going to be greater than but not equal to, because it's a dotted line, negative 1/2 x plus 2. Now it's interesting because it stops right here. Okay, it doesn't go any further to the left, so it's everything to the right of the y-axis. Well, we can write that as an equation, right? That's just when x is equal to 0. That's this line here. Okay, so x is equal to 0 for that. But I want everything to the right of that. So I need to write that as x is greater than or equal to 0. I have to include that third inequality there. So those three inequalities combined represent the solution that you're seeing to the right on that graph.